Good morning, children. Welcome back to our IT class. Today we are going to discuss continuation of Chapter 5, Introduction to PowerPoint 2016. Last class, we have discussed how to create a new presentation. Then we learned about creation of title slides. And also, we studied about how to insert a new slide into the presentation. So today we are going to learn these topics. First one is changing the font and font size of the text. Second one, saving a presentation. Third one, opening a saved presentation. Fourth one, closing a presentation. Last one, exiting a PowerPoint. First one is changing font and size of the text. Children, we have already learned how to enter a text into the slide. We can make changes in the appearance of the text by using the font. So let's see how to change the font and size of the text. For this, first you have to click on Home tab. Then in the font group, you can see a drop down arrow in font box. You have to click on the drop down arrow. Then third step, select the font type. That is, you can select the font type. Example, Times New Roman, Arial. These are some font type. You can select the type of the font that you want to apply for the text. So these are the steps to change the font size of the text. Let's see how to change the font size of the text.
Changing the font and font size of the text. We can change the font and font size to change the appearance of your slide text. For this, you have to follow these steps. First one, select the text that you want to change the font and size. So I have selected the text. Then, next step, click on Home tab. Then in font group, you can see two drop down boxes. One for font selection, other for font size selection. Then click on the drop down arrow in the font box. Here you can see a list of available fonts. Example, Arial Black, Calibri. Like that, different fonts are available. You can select any font that you want to insert. Then you can set the size of this text. For this, you have to click on this drop down arrow and then select the size that you want to apply for the text. This is how we are changing the font and size of the text. First, you have to select the text that you want to apply font. Then click on Home tab. In font group, two drop down boxes you can see. Click on the first one. There you can select the font type. Then next drop down arrow where you can set the size of the font, the slide. This is how we are changing the font and font size of the text.
Next is saving a presentation. We can save our presentation for the future use. To save a presentation, you have to follow these steps. Let's see how to save a presentation.
Saving a presentation. We can save our presentation for sharing with others and reusing in future. For saving a presentation, first you have to click on File tab. Second step, select You can either select Save or Save As option for saving the presentation. Here I have selected Save As option. Then on the center pane you can see this PC option. Double click on that. Then a dialog box will appear. Here you can select the location of the file where you want to save the presentation. So I have selected desktop for saving this presentation. Here you can type the name of the presentation. I have given computer as the name of presentation. Then click save button. So see, the name of the presentation is changed to computer here. So this is how we are saving the presentation.
Third one is opening a saved presentation. We already know that how to save a presentation. Then let's see how to open a saved presentation. For this, you have to follow these steps.
Opening a saved presentation. To open a saved presentation, you have to follow these steps. First step, click on the File tab. Second step, click on Open command from left pane. Here you can see an Open command. Click on that. Then a center pane will appear. In this center pane, you have to select this PC icon. Then a dialog box will appear. Then from this dialog box, you have to select the location of the file where the presentation is already saved. So I have saved the presentation in the desktop. So I have selected desktop. There you can see our presentation's name was computer. So you can see the presentation name computer. Click on that and then last step, click open button. So the presentation is opened here. This is how we are opening a saved presentation.
Next is closing a presentation. To close a presentation, you have to follow. First, click on the File tab and then click on Close option. Then your presentation will close. Let's see how to close a presentation.
Closing a presentation. To close the presentation, first you have to click on this File tab. Then you can see in the left pane, many options are available. You have to click on Close button. Then a dialog box will appear and it will ask whether you want to save your presentation or not. If you want to save the presentation, you have to click on the save button. Otherwise, that is if you don't want to save this presentation, you have to click on don't save option.
Last one is exiting PowerPoint. In order to exit from the PowerPoint, you have to click on the exit button that you can see in the title bar. In the title bar, you can see exit button. You have to click on this exit button. Then the PowerPoint will be closed.
Next is exiting PowerPoint. To exit PowerPoint, you have to click on this close button in the title bar. This is the title bar. There you can see a close button. You have to click on this close button to exit from the PowerPoint.
So
Saving a presentation. You can save your presentation for sharing with others and reusing in future. To save a presentation, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on File tab. Step 2. Select Save or Save As command from the left pane. You can also click the Save command on the Quick Access toolbar to save the file. Step 3. Select this PC from the center pane and click on Browse option. Step 4. the Save As dialog box opens. Select the location of the file. Step 5. Click on the file name box and type a name for the file. Step 6. Click on Save button. PowerPoint saves the presentation and the new file name appears on the title bar. Opening a saved presentation. To open a saved presentation, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on File tab. Step 2. Click on Open command from the left pane. Step 3. Select this PC from the center pane and click on Browse option. Step 4. The Open dialog box will appear. Select the location of the file. Step 5. Click on Open button. Closing a presentation. To close the presentation, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on File tab. Step 2. Click on the Close option from the left pane. If you have not saved the presentation, PowerPoint displays a message box and will be asked, "Want to save your changes to presentation?" Step 3. Click on Save button if you want to save the presentation. If you don't want to save the presentation, click on Don't Save button. PowerPoint closes the currently open presentation. Exiting PowerPoint. To exit PowerPoint, click on the Close button in the title bar.
Children, we have come to the end of today's session. Today we have learned 5 topics. First one, how to change the font and size of the text. Second one, how to save a PowerPoint presentation. Third one, how can we open a saved presentation. Then fourth one, how to close a PowerPoint presentation. At last, we have learned how to exit from a PowerPoint. Hope all of you understood the topic that we have discussed. For any doubts or clarifications, we will discuss in the live class. Thank you.